Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 10 update error code is 0x80240061. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all the first method is that going to your settings of the Windows, go to your update and security, go to your troubleshoot, click on additional troubleshooters, click on a Windows update and run the troubleshooter. Close it. The second method is that in the search box type a services, open a services, open a Windows update and make sure that the select a automatic. If you select any other option, select a automatic, click on start button, apply and OK. The third method is that in the search box type a cmd, open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, type a command is net stop WUAUSERV and press enter. Type a command is net space stop space bits. Now type a command is net stop space CRYPTSVC and press enter. After that, type a command is run c dot forward slash windows backslash software distributions space software distribution dot old and press enter. After that, type a command is run space c dot forward slash windows forward slash system 32 forward slash catroot 2 space catroot 2 dot old and press enter. After that, type a command is net space start space WUAUSERV and press enter. After that, type a command is net space start space bits and press enter. After that, type a command is net start space CRYPTSVC and press enter. After that, type a exit and exit the command prompt. After that, restart your computer. I'm sure that your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a fourth method. The fourth method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After that, type a command is sfc space slash scan now and press enter. After that, the process will be started and it's required of a few minutes to complete the process. Okay. After completing that, type a command is dism space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health and press enter. After doing this chat, the process will be started, and it's required of a few minutes to complete the process. After that, type a exit and exit the command prompt and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a fifth method. The fifth method is that open any browser and go to any search engine, type a Windows 10 download. After doing this step, the first link is that Windows 10 download disk image. Click on it. After that, scroll down and click on a download button. Click on save button and download it. After doing this step, open it and click on accept button. Select upgrade this PC now and click on the next button. When you click on the next button, the process will be started, and it's required of a few hours to complete the process. After completing the process, your computer will restart automatically and your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.